Welcome to the MIS Academic Result Management System training for the Federal Polytechnic Ado-Ekiti. This is video 1 where we will cover the 3 primary user roles within the system: the head of department, the student, and the lecturer. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to access your portal, navigate the system, and perform your key responsibility effectively. In the previous video, we discussed about the HOD and the student roles. In this video, we will now review the lecturer's portal. First, lecturer will have to log in. You visit the URL as we earlier mentioned at www.mis.fedpolyado.edu.ng. Then you click on login. Then access the portal using your email address and password created by your head of department. After signing in, you will be taken to the lecturer's dashboard. Here at the lecturer's dashboard, as you can see, the dashboard displays the current session and semester along with all courses assigned to you. Each course card includes the course code, course title, and the number of registered students. If an expected course does not appear, it is very advisable you contact your head of department and lay your complaint. Now click on download students to get access to the class list of your students. Uploading scores, which is the main focus of this session. Now you click on upload results to start uploading of student results. Select a course to view the list of registered students. Then for each student, enter the continuous assessment score and examination score on Excel sheet. I'm going to show you how you do that. You download the templates. Okay, it's done downloading. You open it into Excel. That's good. Then you fill in the CA. As you can see what I'm doing right now. So let me start filling some CS for student and the exam scores as well. So while I fill the scores, I want to ensure that the CA does not go above the standard for CA in the department. Standard for some department could be 40, over 40, some could be over 30, depending on what your department already has. And some might ask, what about practicals? So it's advisable you sum all into CA. So if you have practical to be 10, everything should be over 30, over 40 as a whole for CA. Then for the examination, we as well fill the scores. You can see that here. Then once you're done filling, let me just randomly fill all through quickly. Yes, so we're done now. So once you're done filling, the system automatically calculates the total score and corresponding grade. So it's not your job to do that. So what we do now is go back to the portal, then we upload. Then once uploaded is done, you have to preview first before you finally upload. If there is any error on the template on what you filled, the system will require that you go back and rectify those errors. And note that you are not advised to leave any student's results to be blank. Blank result is not acceptable in the system. So you have to ensure that you use proper indicators. And indicators are actually the instruction on how to use indicators are on the template. So we have about 5 of those indicators you can use as per MIS solution. So once all scores have been entered and verified, you click submit scores. The ones that has been done, it will be forwarded to the HOD for review and approval. Please note that submitted scores cannot be modified unless returned for correction. Handling corrections. Corrections are handled by the head of department, not you. So in case of errors, and you know that you have made an error being overly stating the instead of the actual scores of a student, you can visit your head of department to lay that complaint. In summary, Ensure that all scores are submitted accurately and within the approved deadline. Timely submission helps maintain an efficient result processing and approval workflow throughout the institution.